Creators are using AI to predict K-pop trends before they go viral. Want to stay ahead? We're showing you the exact tools industry professionals use right now. K-pop moves fast. Trends emerge and disappear within hours. AI tools now analyze social media patterns, predict chart movements, and identify emerging sounds instantly. Whether you are a content creator, music marketer, or producer, these tools save hours of manual research. Let's explore the game changers. Tool 3. ChatGPT K-pop content in real time, showing emerging sounds and choreography trends. Tool 2. Spotify's AI Insights reveals listening patterns across regions. Tool 3. ChatGPT with custom prompts generates trend reports instantly. Start with TrendTok, input any K-pop artist, get trend breakdowns instantly. Use Spotify Insights to compare regional performance. Then prompt ChatGPT, analyze why the song is trending. Copy the report into your content strategy. This 3-step process takes minutes, not days. Your competitors aren't doing this yet. Creators using these tools report 40% faster content planning. You'll identify trends 3 days before competitors. Start with one tool this week. TrendTok is free to test. Drop your favorite K-pop trend in the comments. Subscribe for weekly AI tool updates. Hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you're serious about staying ahead of trends, comment your biggest K-pop prediction right now. Yes, you're serious.